Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you guys about a little comparison between the Krk Rokit studio monitors and the Samson MediaOne BT studio monitors. These are both wonderful, budget-friendly studio monitors from different manufacturers. They're great for those who are starting out in the industry or those who are just looking for a good, cheap pair of monitors that still retains high-quality sound. If you guys don't know about KRK systems, you're looking at the KRK studio monitor right now. KRK began manufacturing the studio monitors back in about 2003. They are now we are now in the year 2020, and they are at the generation 4. You are currently looking at the KRK Rokit G4 8s. G4, of course, stands for generation 4, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver. These are wonderful, wonderful monitors. They've come a long way in terms of sound, quality, design, and everything. Samson, on the other hand, has been around for quite some time as well, and they are really, really well known for making all kinds of audio equipment that is budget friendly. So no matter what you're looking for, they pretty much have it, and they are great for those who don't want to spend a ton of money. The Samson MediaOne BT studio monitors are really, really wonderful, great multi-purpose monitors. They offer modern Bluetooth technology, which sets them apart from the KRK systems, which are your kind of standard active powered monitors. Now, the Samson BT monitors are active powered, but they are also equipped with Bluetooth connectivity. And this really comes in handy if you don't have an audio interface, because you can easily connect to them with like a phone, a tablet, a laptop, pretty much anything you want that uses Bluetooth. And of course, that's kind of where they beat KRK out, is that when you do want to connect your KRK monitors, you will need some sort of interface, you will need some sort of cables to plug into your laptop, computer, phone, etc. I will say KRK definitely beats Samson in terms of sound. The MediaOne monitors, they have these copolymer woofers and silk dome tweeters. They definitely have lower than average wattage, and so you're not going to get the same loud sound that you get with KRK systems monitors, and KRK systems are known for producing really, really nice loud monitors. So they definitely beat them out in terms of both sound and volume, and especially when you look at the Kevlar low frequency driver woofers versus the copolymer woofers. The Kevlar ones have just such a nice tight sound with the low end, and you just really can't beat that. The KRKs also have front firing ports, while the Samson MediaOnes have back firing ports. This means that you can use the KRK systems monitors in just about any room. This is because you don't have to worry about the bass extending out the back and then being up against a wall and causing these sort of booming frequencies in the back. It's really, really nice just having that that capability. Whereas with Samson monitors, you have to be really careful about where you're placing them in the room. Yeah, I would say if you're somebody who is looking for just a pair of really nice portable studio monitors that you can bring anywhere, definitely go with the Samsons. The Bluetooth connectivity is great. I mean, there are a couple, lag and latency issues with Bluetooth, but you can get past it if you're in a pinch and you really need it. It can be super helpful. On the other hand, if you're looking for some more professional studio monitors in the same range, I would definitely go with the KRK systems. They're very versatile, even though they don't have that Bluetooth connectivity, and I highly recommend them for any kind of music producer, mix engineer, mastering engineer, etc. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions or insights into which one you like better, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.